Hi friends, this is Rajnikant Excel Guru. This is the query asked by one of our friend in the group. So he wants to be like this. The query is like this. He wants to extract the data in this way. Here is the some complications are there that he has to match these both things, January and A. Sorry, January 21 and A. Again January 21 and B. Okay. We have to extract this. Later we have to find the values over in the table. Okay. So first of all, what you want this to be a 2 times should be repeat. Okay. 2 times it should be repeat. 2 times. January 21, January 21, February 21, February 21, March 21, March 21. This two times. Then it should be 1 2 1 2 1 2 like this. Okay, A B A B A B A B. Okay, understood, guys? Now let's go to check whether how it extracts. Okay, now this is the right. Now first of all, what you have to do? You have to make it to do 2 times. January 21 2 times. Okay, so here I will start. Okay. Rows $7 B7. Okay, so what it will do, it will increment the numbers. So how many you want? 24. 2 into 12, December are there, 24. How many are 253 are there? No. 22 are there, say here count. So we need 24. 24, right. Okay, 24 we got. 2 into 12. Okay, so now F2 minus 1, control enter, double click. I'm showing step by step. Okay, F2 int of this whole thing divided by how many times? 1 should repeat 2 times. January 21 should repeat 2 times. So you have to divide by 2. Control enter. 0000 1111. Okay. F2. It's already selected the data plus 1. 11 22 33 44 55. Okay. So already selected data. F2. It will automatically pop up in all the cells because it's already selected index of this data. Control shift right arrow. F4, comma, image is there, control enter. It is number formatted, so I'll select this one. Okay, we need January full time. Okay, the full, control 1, number format, custom, hyphen DD. Okay, see what will happen. Let's see. Why January 1 it should come January 21, right? So I select this one, format printer, correct only. Why it's coming like this? See, control 1, remember guys. Okay, so here, sorry guys, I thought it is date. Okay, I thought it is a date and small m. Okay, now see, January 21. Okay, 4 m's hyphen double y. I thought it was a date. Okay, for that reason I typed DD. Okay, now here it is January. Okay, now we need to extract this B's also. Okay, let's see how it will come. B's, same formula, rows $7 C7. Okay, a little bit difference is there. Double click. The data is already selected. F2. Go to mod, comma 2. Because 2 numbers are there. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Like this you have to repeat. Okay. Control enter. 1010. Okay, we are not interested in 1010. Minus 1. 0101 1. So we are not interested in 01 also. Just add 1. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. F2 index this both things. F4 comma, come to end of this formula, close parenthesis until you see the black parenthesis. Control enter. AB 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 AB. Okay, I'll remove this format also. Control 1 borders. I only kept the borders, so remove borders. I don't want borders. I need only outside borders. Okay, I need only outside borders. Now see. Okay, this one is over. Now we have to find the values. Okay, so let's see how it will come. Okay, it is equal to match, open the bracket, this one, comma, it's a relative difference, for that reason I am not locking. Select all this data, F4, comma, 0. Control enter. See what it will do. Double click. 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Okay, no issues. F2, we look up the whole data, not the upper one, the downward. Okay, F4, sorry, we look up will be A, comma, and it will be the table array. Okay, here there is again there is a problem here. See, everything is okay. Okay, I should keep a range lookup, comma, 0. Control enter. See, is it right? No, it's not right. Okay, what you will do? You add just 1 to the match. What it is, you have to add what it is showing. Actually it is showing 1, so we don't want 1, we want 2. Okay, Control Z, plus 1, control enter, double click, 330 double 1. See, matching this 2 and this 2, this one and this one. 21A, 21, again 21A, February 21, A 287, February B 254, February B 254. Okay, we'll make a outside border now. Control 1, make it outside borders. That's it. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys, thanks for your support. Have a nice day.